Whoa, hey camera. So right now we're up north of the Paul, Manitoba, Canada. Yep, the PAS, Manitoba. Train getting ready to pull out to Thompson. Yep, train going to Thompson, getting ready. Yep, to go. So today it is Monday, February no, it's not February. So today it is Monday, March the 9th, yep, March 9th, 2026, 2026, yep. And the time right now it is 7:22 p.m. Yep, 7:22 p.m. a Monday evening, yep. And also I heard in about less than an hour it's gonna be 9 o'clock instead of 8 o'clock because they switched the clocks around for daylight saving, I believe. Yep, they skipped an hour. If it's 9 o'clock in about an hour, could it be 8:22 p.m. right now, or they probably just skipped an hour after 7 p.m. Yep. But according to my time right now, it is 7:23 p.m. Yep. Yep, the train is gonna go to the other side of town to go and get the cars that they're gonna be bringing up north, hauling to Thompson. Yep. So yeah, I'll be back on video recording once the train Yep, it's going to the other side of town, or is it coming forward and go reverse? Yep, it's going over there now. So yeah, I'll be back on video recording once the train pulls out. Whoop, there goes the train. So hey camera, so right now we're up north of the Paw, Manitoba, Canada. Yep, the PAS, Manitoba. Train pulling out, going to Thompson. Yep, train numbers 3864, 6004, and 3840. Yep. So today it is Monday, March 9th, 2026, 2026. Yep, and the time it is 8:36 p.m. Yep. Or it would most likely be 9:36 p.m. because of the clocks switching. Yep. So yeah. Skip the video now, see you in the next one. Peace, the guy that likes trains out.